This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the file and getting a reliable URL. Choose an efficient format like WebP or compressed JPG, then resize for common breakpoints so downloads stay small. Make sure the file name is descriptive and add alt text for accessibility. This matters for users and search engines. Once done, upload to your CDN, hosting, or CMS media library and copy the image URL. Now you have the concrete asset and link needed to embed or reference in code or content editors. You now embed the image and ensure it behaves across viewports. In HTML, choose img src for direct display or wrap it in a href to make it a link. Implement src set and sizes attributes so the browser picks the right pixel density and width. In Markdown, use alt, URL, and nest with brackets to make the image clickable. If you use a CMS editor, insert via the media modal and check link target settings. Make sure relative versus absolute paths reflect deployment environment to avoid broken links. Finish by testing across devices, networks, and pages. You should open pages in incognito and on mobile to confirm the correct source loads and that link targets behave as expected. Make performance improvements like lazy loading and caching headers, and provide 2x variants for high DPI screens. If something fails, inspect the Network tab for 404, mixed content, or CORS errors. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Broken links usually stem from wrong path, protocol mismatch, or server permissions, so correct those and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.